Welcome to the Kettering University Commencement Ceremony for 2023. Your achievements make us proud.
My name is Hemant Tadapalli. I am a computer science major with my concentration in cybersecurity. My favorite Kettering memory would be when the Learning Commons was opened. I think it was just a brand new experience for new students to just explore new innovations on campus.
Today, graduates, you join the ranks of the extraordinary Kettering alumni who have come from more than a century before you.
I think the thing that I'm going to miss the most, besides the students on campus, is just the diverse selection of opportunities that you can be a part of.
I think one thing I miss about Kettering is the community of people is just so awesome here. I get to meet so many different people every day throughout my various clubs and organizations.
We look forward to the many significant contributions you will make in the future, and know that your collective passion for education, for leadership, and for achievement will be an inspiration to those who will follow.
Shout out to class of 2023, we made it, and I know everyone's going to do a great job in their full-time jobs.
Congratulations to the class of 23. You guys have done great things to get to where we are today. This is really exciting, and I can't wait to see what we all do in the workforce.
Yo, congrats, Kettering! Class of 2023, you made it. Let's do this.
Congratulations, class of 2023. We wish you great success and fulfillment in the journey that lies ahead.